My name is Joe Theodore. I'm a sheet metal estimator here at ASM. I've been estimating sheet metal for about 17 years now. Typical day is meeting with the team, making sure that we have everything we need to properly estimate a job, which would be the plans, the specs, find out who the owner is, talk with the architect, make sure everything is prepared for us. We do ACM panels, which is aluminum composite panels. We do sheet metal, of course, standing seam metal roofing. Our scope is pretty big, so we have to go through the plans and make sure that we have everything accurately. And the bid date is very important. We have to get it in time so the client has a chance to review and get it into their owner, and then we follow up later to hopefully get a last look and bring the project into ASM. The people don't take it too serious. We need a joke here and there. Everybody likes to laugh and smile and have a good time, it lightens it because we're in a pretty serious business. I think what drives me the most over all these years is the competition and knowing that there's 3 or 4 other contractors going after the same job and using my talents to fine-tune a project to make sure we're covered and to make sure we're the low bid. And once we're the low bid, I enjoy working with project management to make sure that the project goes smoothly in the field. The advice I would give someone coming in brand new in estimating would be to learn from those around him or her. Make sure they keep their ears open and understand what exactly that they are looking at and what the end goal is, and that is, of course, sales, but to be accurate, to be specific in their takeoff and in their proposal to the client. I love spending time with my family, especially on the weekends. Music, picnics, love to have a good time, laugh, go out to dinners. Yes, family's number one. My goal for the future is to help ASM grow and to be part of that moving forward.